Alright guys, guess what time it is? It is time to set up Halloween. I'm going to show you how I set up the fences and the fence panels that I use. My wife's back there laughing behind my GoPro that's sitting on a stand out in the middle of the neighborhood. Who cares? Alright, so first off, what you're going to need. If you don't have one of these, get one of these. These things are great. Basically, this is your tabletop. This part opens. This part just snaps in. It's got little keys on there so you can set it up the right way and lock it in place. Nope. Oh, Husky. So now this is just a great work surface to do this. Setting up the fence. Hold your tools because it hasn't stopped raining here in Milwaukee for 30 days, I think. It's been nuts. So we're going to set up these panels. These are the fence panels we're going to use. I got these at Lowe's. I got them, they were grade from the year before. So they were wholesaling them out. Of course, I do work there, so I got a little extra discount, but because I get my 10% employee discount. But I got these for like $5 a panel. We got them black. We have a couple we may need to repaint, but let's get setting these up, okay? Alright, so we're going to need to put these fence panels in. I will show you. These little posts, they're not that expensive. I think they're like $1 or $2 a piece. Some of these are in pretty bad shape because I've been setting up this Halloween for a while. And so basically we're going to put this fence panel up. We'll put one in the corner which will make the rigidity of the fence really nice. But I'll show you how we're going to do this, okay? Hold on. Gotta trim this grass here. All right. What I'm doing is putting the post right behind one of the pickets on the fence. You may not be able to see that, but we'll show you later on. And then basically just taking your screws. These I've got 1 5/8 inch screws. Basically throwing these right where the hole is. That'll hold that fence up. And we'll grab another stake. And we'll get the other end of the fence panel. All right. Don't know if you can see me. But before we put this post in to hold this up, we're going to cut these little blocks. We're going to tie these two fence panels together first, and then we will put the stake in. So let's just put these in. Got my trusty little clamp. Wobbly fence. All right, we'll throw a couple screws in there. it works nice. And that really ties the two together. So now we're going to put the post right in line. This post we'll put right in line right here. Hide it behind this picket. And I'm going to drive it till I get to where I can put a screw in, which would be right there, and I can go a little bit deeper so I can get one in the bottom also. That's how we tie two fence panels together. And we're going to continue this process all the way across. Alright, so what's next? We're going to put the columns that I made out of 2-inch foam. I'll show you those. First off, I made this box. And we'll have to level it a little bit later on because of the way the grass slopes. But these are made out of 2-inch foam. You can see how I glued those together. Then Dremel tool, taking out the sections here, building up, and then painting it all. And you notice here, for some reason, we had this set up, the burrs decided to peck through the styrofoam, so we'll have to repaint those later on. But we'll set this up. Maybe we'll pick a side up front that does not show those. Right now we'll put them towards the house. So basically those will sit in here. Then I will pound the cement stakes into the ground. And then I'll use a bungee cord to hold the top up. I've got a little eye bolt in here. Hook a bungee cord onto that, and then hook it to this cement stake that's in the middle of the column, which will hold the columns up. Alright, so let's put this column in place. It's a little tricky because we have to get this hook on here, and we got to get it up through the center of the column. And if we put this side up front, the loop at the bottom.
Oh, the other one.
Right there by your hand. There you go. Yeah, big loop. Right there. There we go. Alright. Now we don't want to lose the bungee cord. And we gotta put it through the eye hook. There we go. And there we go. We have a column. Kind of, I'll put some spacers underneath there to straighten it up. Get a 2x4 or something and put it underneath there. And then we've got another one we're going to stick over here, and I've got a gate that goes between them. So we'll get that all set up, put the next one up also. Alright, so you'll see this is the gate we're going to put between the two columns. Got this at work because it was bent, so got it cheap. And we'll basically just eyeball it. And how does that hold up there? I made these 2x4s, and I put this little dowel rod in here, and that will sit right on top of this hole right here. Then the fence will, or the gate will just stand right between there, and I'll put another cement stake in the other side just to hold the gate up. Doesn't work, it's just for show, so we'll put that together in a second here. All right, both columns are in place. 2014 when this one was made. Got these little plastic vines, just kind of stapled them on there. Look pretty good. Someday I might put a little hook out here and put a lantern on these to hang off to the side. Another bird issue, digging through my 2-inch foam. Kind of like this column better because the lines are skinnier than this one over here. But if I make any more, probably be just like this one. But these are in there with bungee cords, big bungee cords with cement stakes into the ground. Then our gate, which we will just rig right now. Sit like this. I'm going to get another cement stake pounded in over on this side, and then we'll tie it to that cement stake. So we're going to continue the fence panels from the right side of the column. Same process going forward. Put the little tie-ins to hold each panel together, pop in a post. Now we're in the corner. In the corner I just use 3.5-inch screws and put them together, and I'll cover that corner with another picket. I'll cut a picket to fit there. Go up the side of the front yard. We're going to switch over to the driveway side and continue up that side. Got some fence painting to do, but once they dry out we can do that. I'll take you for a little tour from the inside. Here in the corner I'm going to put a shelf which will really tie together, and a post going up which we can hang cobwebs from. And it looks pretty good. It's very sturdy. I actually had a neighbor say, "Oh, that's a nice fence." He says, "Just for Halloween." So this is how you guys put up a Halloween fence. Next is we are going to put up the tombstones, and we're going to make a tombstone. Show you guys how that works. But you can see that was relatively quick. Only took probably about 45 minutes to an hour. Of course, we're videoing and moving it around. Goes in pretty fast. It's very sturdy. So we'll see you guys later. We'll put up tombstones next. Bye-bye.
Bye.